Tips for removing pesticides from fruits and vegetables. Discover 7 effective methods for cleaning fruits and vegetables, removing pesticides without compromising food quality. Hey everyone! If you're ready to boost your health and well-being, go ahead and hit that like button. Today, we're diving into some amazing tips that are going to take your quality of life to the next level. Make sure to stick around till the end because we've got tons of valuable info coming your way. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's the perfect time. Together, we can build a healthy, informed community. Join us on this journey to becoming your best self. One of the most popular techniques for eliminating pesticides is soaking your produce in a mixture of baking soda and water. Let the fruits and veggies sit in this solution for a few minutes, then rinse them under running water before eating. You also have other cleaning options like vinegar, iodine, and warm water solutions. It's worth noting that while all these methods are valid, the baking soda solution is especially effective for smaller fruits like strawberries, blackberries, and cherries, just requiring a short soak. For larger fruits and veggies, like apples and tomatoes, the iodine and water mix is more suitable since it allows for a longer soaking time and thorough cleaning. Ready to learn how to properly clean your food? Keep on reading. How to remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables. First off, it's important to know that the only way to completely remove pesticides from the surface of fruits and veggies is to peel them. However, this tip applies only to the outer residues. Most foods treated with pesticides have residues in their flesh, which can affect food safety. That's why, whenever possible, go for organic products, which are pesticide-free. Pesticides are used to protect crops from pests and diseases, but they can be harmful to human health when ingested. That's why cleaning is super essential, especially for non-organic foods. Remember, even organic produce should be cleaned before consumption. 7 cleaning methods for fruits and vegetables. Washing your produce under running water is a great start, but to effectively remove pesticides, you need to take it a step further. Here's a quick outline of methods that can help eliminate pesticides, bacteria, and germs. Follow this basic scheme. 1. Prepare homemade solution. 2. Rinse under running water. 3. Reapply homemade solution. 4. Soak in clean water. This process helps get rid of pathogens and readies your food for eating. Note that some homemade solutions aren't safe for consumption, so it's crucial to rinse thoroughly with clean water at the end. 7 cleaning methods. 1. Using hot water. Soak fruits and veggies in hot water, which can be effective for cleaning. Salt water is also an option, reducing the amount of bacteria and pesticides by up to 80%. 2. Baking soda solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda in 1 liter of water. Soak the produce for up to 10 minutes, rinse, and then soak for another 5 minutes. Rinse again with clean water. 3. Vinegar. Mix 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. After soaking the fruits and veggies, rinse with cold water to eliminate the vinegar taste. 4. Iodine solution. Mix 5 milliliters of 2% iodine in 1 liter of water. Soak the food for up to an hour, then rinse normally. 5. Baking soda and lemon. Combine 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of baking soda in 1 liter of water. Use a spray bottle to apply it to the fruits and veggies, gently scrub, and then soak in cold water for 30 minutes. 6. Dish soap and natural sponge. Use dish soap with a natural sponge to scrub the produce. Always remember to rinse well after cleaning. 7. Charcoal, horse chestnut, and green clay mixture. Mix these 3 ingredients and scrub onto the produce. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then place it in clean water for another 15 minutes, repeating the process. With so many cleaning options, did you know all these techniques? Regardless of your answer, you can now enjoy fruits and veggies with more confidence, investing in your health and well-being. So, did you enjoy today's content? If you haven't left your like or subscribe to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Now's the perfect time to do it. Your support is crucial for us to keep bringing you hot tips and updated info on health and well-being for you and everyone looking to live life to the fullest. Don't forget to check out our other videos, there's plenty of good stuff waiting for you. Until next time. And remember, taking care of your health is the best gift you can give yourself.